Hello everyone, so today I'm going to be showing you how to remove a background from an image using Photoshop. In order to do this, you need to open your image. We could use File, Open, or we could use CTRL plus the letter O and select the image that you want to open. So this is how it should look once you open your file. What we want to do is use the polygonal lasso tool. Since I always have this setting, it shows 3. Normally you will see 0. Change it to 3 like I have it. Okay, so now I'm gonna trace the image, which is the little girl. Try to get as close as possible as you can. Okay. So we're tracing. Tracing as careful as we can. Sometimes if you don't trace properly, you're gonna have to redo it and it could get tiresome. So as of right now, it's starting to look like if you were cutting this with scissors, like very boxy. But you'll see once we finish tracing her that it's gonna look really nice. Okay, almost done. Almost, and done. Connect it to the first point that you started with. It should give you like this little dotted moving snake or ants around the image. Once your image starts looking like this, what we want to do is CTRL plus the letter J, or if you're using Mac, Apple J. Okay? So it removes the little ants outline and it creates a layer for you. But we have the layer now of the little girl without the background. So there's two options to move the girl to the project that you're working on. Either copy it, so select it, which is CTRL plus the letter A, and it's going to select it. All you have to do is CTRL plus the letter C, go to the file that you're working on, then CTRV will give you the little girl or the little file that you're working on, and that's how you remove a background and transfer her to the project that you're working on. If you have any questions, please feel free and leaving them below in the comment section. If you would like to learn something using Photoshop or Silhouette, I'm more than happy to create tutorials for you guys. Okay, have a great one. Bye.